Okay, so for the neuron model, first we have the dendrites. So we have dendrites all throughout here. But your professor, I would think, will put it where you don't have the blue stuff here. So better probably here to put it for the dendrite. So we have the dendrite. Next we have the axon terminals. So this is one neuron here. These are from other neurons. So this is from another neuron. That is the axon terminal from another neuron. Okay, that means it's making a communication here, a synapse. So that is your axon terminal here. Axon terminal, etc., etc. Axon terminal. This cone shaped, which is like the beginning of the axon, this is the axon hillock. Axon hillock. And then that leads to this structure. This, as well as all of this, is the axon. This whole thing, the gray structure is the axon. This here is the cell body, but your professor calls it the soma. So I would think your professor will put a sticker maybe here. Technically, this is the cell body, the soma, but your professor does ask for this individually. So I don't think he would put the sticker here for soma. Maybe here, and then this here is the nissl substance, the blue. The nissl substance, all these blue structures. This right here is just the continuation, right? They couldn't fit it on the model, so they cut it and they put it here. So this is the axon of this neuron here, but it's being covered by another cell here. This whole cell, you see a nucleus there. This entire cell is called a Schwann cell. And I don't know how your professor would ask it, but this is the whole thing is one cell. That's the nucleus. Just this part though, if you don't look at the nucleus, that is called the myelin sheath. This is the myelin or the myelin sheath. And you can see a nucleus here and a nucleus right here. So these are two different cells, two different Schwann cells. So in between the two Schwann cells, this is called the node of Ranvier. The node of Ranvier. And that does it for this model.